It was a warm evening in Crumble Town, and the whole neighborhood smelled like fresh cookies. Mrs. Maple, the kind old baker, had just taken out a tray of warm, golden chocolate chip cookies. Tom the cat was walking by, sniffing the air with dreamy, half-closed eyes. Cookies," he whispered. Meanwhile, Jerry the mouse peeked through the bakery window. His eyes sparkled like stars when he saw the tray. "Tom! Cookies! Real cookies!" Jerry squeaked. Tom placed a paw on Jerry's shoulder. "Don't even think about it." But it was too late. Jerry had already climbed onto the window ledge and was staring at the cookies like they were treasure. Mrs. Maple left the room for just a moment, and Jerry whispered, "It's now or never." He pushed the tray. Just an inch, and one cookie slid off the edge and bounced off the counter and rolled right out the open window. Boink, boink, boink. "Cookie getaway!" Jerry shouted. The cookie rolled down the street like a runaway wheel. Jerry chased after it, tiny legs running as fast as lightning. Tom sighed loudly but ran after him. "Jerry, stop! That belongs to Mrs. Maple!" But Jerry was determined. The cookie rolled over a hill, through a garden, and straight toward the duck pond. "No!" Jerry screamed. "The ducks will eat it!" The cookie hit a small rock, bounced into the air, and landed on the back of a duck. The duck blinked, then quacked, then started waddling into the water. Cookie still on its back. Jerry leapt forward, landing right on the duck's tail. Tom jumped right after him. And splash! They both landed in the pond. The cookie floated like a tiny boat. Jerry swam in circles trying to grab it. Tom finally scooped it up and placed it on the grass. They stared at the soggy cookie for a moment. Then Jerry smiled softly. "Tom, we should give it back." Tom patted him on the head. "That's the right choice, little buddy." They returned the cookie to Mrs. Maple and explained everything. She laughed warmly. "You two silly sweethearts. Here, take 2 fresh cookies each." Jerry nearly fainted with joy. Tom grinned. "This is the best ending ever." And that evening they sat under a tree, munching cookies, happy, warm, and full of crumbs.